How do you know that you need grease? Once you have dents like that, grooves, that tells you that the metal is not covered by grease. If you see all the channels where the grease is supposed to be, it is missing grease. You can see, you can tell from the edge. The other side, all the grooves are lower than the surface, which means the grease is gone. In particular, this area, you can tell the grease is gone. That is when you need grease. You don't have to wait until you destroy the entire wheel, because if you don't put grease, it's going to get hot. When it gets hot, it can crack. You can tell from this area, I have to put grease to avoid overheating. When you couple and uncouple in the way that's unavoidable, most of the grease is gone by scrubbing it by the trailer. You are not supposed to slide and hit the trailer with the fifth wheel to lift it. You're supposed to go under the trailer and lift it from the bottom up, not from the front to the back. We have enough grease here, sufficient for 1 week. And my truck is almost clean from inside. If you look at the tires inside, they don't have a lot of grease on them. So the mechanic who is going to work on the truck is not going to suffer a lot. You try as much as possible to avoid having grease anywhere other than the surface where the grease belongs. You do not want to have grease here, for sure. Other than that, the metal is clean. Everything almost is clean. The hoses are not very clean. That's what you dread. You do not want that to happen at all. That is not good. That comes from the fifth wheel. All that grease on the side is not supposed to be there. That is not supposed to be there at all. That grease was supposed to be on the surface. That is dirty now. That is not supposed to be here. The surface is designed to keep the grease on the surface. But when you scrub it with the trailer, because other people don't raise the trailer enough, you run into this situation. That come grease with dirt. Grease with dirt will catch fire. Because the dirt is silica, like sand. The grease is carbon. The silicon in the dust can get hot quickly. But the carbon in the grease, the carbohydrates, they don't get hot quickly. They know how to slide. They are very slippery. Can you take care of that piece of dirt? That's stuck hard. I don't think that's inside. No, it's not going anywhere. Yeah, it's gone. Just a matter of time. Yeah, it's gone right here. That's what is left. It's done. Let's see if I can scrub it. Takes a lot of time. Clean here, very good. That's clean, perfect. That's clean. Cannot deal with that. That's clean. Ooh. Well, the grease did not go away. But that is not clean. Yeah.